With any game, sport, or profession you're passionate about, it's natural to want to learn the tricks of the trade and secrets to be the best you can be. I've laid out some guidelines and general ideas for strategy and foundational advice. Hard work, practice, and study will always be rewarded, but there is one secret in this game that can make all that just a little bit easier, and that's what I'm going to show you today. Transpositions. So, what is a transposition and why is it a big secret? A transposition is an identical position that can be reached from multiple sequences. Let me show you an example of what that looks like. This formation leads us to this position. Now, let's take a look at this opening. Two completely different openings, but we've reached the same position. This is important because, say maybe you don't know much about this opening, but you are very comfortable and confident with playing this opening. This is a checker's secret because once you discover these transpositions, you can narrow your focus of study, save a lot of time, and force your opponents into positions you are more comfortable playing. Here are some more common transpositions. Key move here. So this is the same as a position I will show you next. Again, it's a completely different opening and a different sequence of moves, but we have reached the same position. And there are many other ways to arrive at this particular position. So let's look at some more transpositions. Here are some more common transpositions. This landing is the same as and again, the same landing. These are just three examples of a classic pioneer position, and you can arrive into this position from multiple different opening sequences. But once you have mastered this formation, you can save yourself a lot of time from having to learn each individual opening. Now I'll show you a twist with some of these next examples. This is a common formation in the defiance opening. Now, take a look at this. Now, if we turn the board around, you'll see it's the same exact position, just colors reversed. So it's a colors reversed transposition. Here's another example in colors reversed. There are countless transpositions in checkers, and I barely scratched the surface today. Understanding not only how transpositions work, but how they can work in your favor is a big secret and one that can lead you to some success. The next step would be to see if there are certain positions you feel most comfortable and confident in, and then see how many different roads can lead to it. Thanks, as always, for watching.